I learned to recognize kudu, Thompson's gazelle, and another all animals. Thompson's gazelle, clanned impala. Impala here is an African antelope with curved horns. And many other animals. I saw plenty of giraffe and rhino and elephant and a lion. And I once spotted a leopard, sleek as silk, lying alone along the trunk of a large tree. He was watching some impala grazing below and deciding which one to have for his dinner. I flew over the pink flamingos on Lake Nakuru, and I flew all the way around the snow summit of Mount Kenya in my trusty little tiger moth. What a fortunate fellow I am, I kept telling myself. Nobody has ever had such a lovely time as this. Roald Dahl includes a letter he wrote to his mother about the time when he was learning to fly. Dear Mama, I have a lovely time. Have never enjoyed myself so much. I have been sworn into the RAF proper, and I am definitely in it now until the end of war. My rank a leading aircraft man with every opportunity of becoming a pilot officer in few months if I don't make a BF of myself. No boys to do everything for me anymore. Get your own food, wash your own knives and forks, fold up your clothes, and in short, do everything for yourself. I suppose I would better not say too much about what we do or where we are going, because the letter would probably be torn up by the censor. But we wake up at 5:30 a.m., drill before breakfast 7 a.m., fly and attend lectures 12:30 and 12 to 12:30, and 1:30 lunch, 1:30 to 6 p.m. flying and lectures. The flying is grand and our instructors are extremely pleasant and proficient. With any luck, I'll be flying solo by the end of the week. He writes a letter to his mother, Roald Dahl himself. So Roald Dahl is writing about all himself. He was a pilot also. Okay. And short stories is always written. So do this also, read this chapter again and do it and finish it off for homework. So then we'll go to the poem of the send-off poetry, and then we have All the World's a Stage, The Dear Departed, and All the World's a Stage of Poetry. The Dear Departed, and what is there I said? One. Dear Departed. Where is 2? We have Dear Departed only 1 here. Going solo we did 156 Theatres Through Ages. Oh, the 2 is theatres. What is an amphitheatre? What is the Procesium Arc stage? Lecture style stage, theatres in the round, we have that. Okay, we'll do that. And now we are on the Going Solo we did and Send Off by Wilfred Owen. That's a poem. Let's see 136. Yes, a send off, how the people go off to that. We'll do it in the next class. So take care till then and see you soon.